So this is exactly kind of why I could not stand having a booth. I was packing orders today and I came across a vase that sold online, and I thought to myself, hey, I haven't seen that since I had my booth at Black Rose. So it wasn't in my stuff that I packed up from my booth, and it wasn't on my report, so I'm gonna go hunting for it. Oh, look at this funny panda jam jar. Oh, it's even got this spoon. $2. All right. I was gonna pass it by, but oh, the spoon's repaired. That's why. Oh well, that's fun though. I don't normally pick up this set because it's kind of common. Every once in a while. The creamer's $5. And I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so it's all separately. Sometimes they put all this stuff together. It's a good deal, but I'm gonna keep looking. This is kind of a fun set. I like the pattern. It's only $5 for the whole thing. It would cost a lot in shipping materials, and it's super heavy, so I'd probably have more in it than I like. A little candle holder, that's cute. Looks like newer though. Look at this wacky string holder thing. $12. It's kind of hard to get a hold of. It's heavy. $95. That thing is really cool. It's only 12 bucks too. Very different. I'm tempted to pick it up. Oh, and here's a George Briard dish. It's a little pricey though. I can't remember if this was here the last time I looked. $8. Does it work? Oh, what a steal. These usually sell pretty well. $8 is a super good price. I love the little ballerina. But I'm also just now noticing why she's $8. Somehow the globe managed to open and something happened to her dancing partner, and you can tell where it broke off. So since the damage, even though the price is right, I'm gonna put that back. Whoa, it's like pink everything over here. My eyes all over the place. Very into. Oh, look at this little guy. $9.50. That's a good one. Now, I've been really careful about picking up the monkeys like this because they just honestly haven't sold that well. But this little bunny rabbit, those usually sell better than the monkeys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up, maybe. I don't know. I'm a little on the fence. I'm nervous I'm gonna get stuck with it. I think they're adorable, but let me see what else is over here before I get too carried away. Yeah, now that I'm looking again from a different angle, I can see it's got a little bit of wear. If I'm gonna pick one of those up, I want it to be in perfect condition. So I'm gonna leave it and keep on going. What's this fish? That's kind of neat. $9 is a little close for me though. Oh, here's that Santa and Mrs. Claus set that usually sells really well. I think that says $10, right? No, 18. Wow, just kidding. That's about what mine sell for too. This vendor's dream pets are usually priced pretty much at retail, but I had to check this one out. 20 bucks. Yeah, that's pricey. I cannot resist to stop and check out these chairs and this lamp. This lamp is so neat. $3.25. That does not surprise me. God, these chairs are cool. I see snowmen. $3.50. Is that what that really says? Well, that's a great price. This is a super good selling set by Lefton. Let me make sure there's... Yeah, I thought that was repair. It's just gold paint. Boom. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and grab these. I'm also really into these little bone china playing card ones. They're $8, but they're so different. Oh, I'm just now seeing the 20% sign. I feel like I can justify that between the snowmen. Oh my gosh, and these, how cool. $17.50 though. I think even with the 20%, that's a little high for me to front for resale. What's this planter? It looks on the newer side, $20, and it's most definitely new. Fake out. That is a very unusual Santa Claus mug. $2. Big fan of that. I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. It's a hobbyist piece, but it's really unique and the price is right. And yes, I definitely see this. $13 for the little spaghetti Santa planter. Kind of crazy not to get it. That's a pretty good deal. I'll definitely double my money off this. Some of these Napco spaghetti Santa planters sell for really good money. I can't remember what the last one I picked up that was this white one, but it was definitely at over double 13. I've been seeing a lot of turkey planters and I've been kind of ignoring them, but the prices are so good. $1 as is. I don't really see what's wrong with it, honestly. Maybe it's, well, there's clearly something I'm not seeing, so I'm just gonna let it go. Kind of into this mug. It looks like an Otajiri. Yep, Otajiri. $6, cute, but not my favorite. What is this lighter? How neat is that? Huh, very cool. 20 is a little high for resale, but I'm also obsessed with anything that has these rhinestones, these ceramic figures. I love that it has all the gems. That is really hard. I'm making sure its neck's not repaired before I get too excited. $4, I'm definitely gonna pick this one up. I also can't help but notice this hand-painted vase. It looks like Nippon, $20 firm. It is, wow, that's really pretty. I don't think I'm gonna eke out much more than that though. This is a strange one. Made in England. I like the design on that. So I'm not really surprised I didn't find my vase. However, I got all this stuff under $30. It was $28.20 to be exact. So I think I'm gonna go run some errands, maybe hit another antique mall while I'm at it. So I was gonna head north, but it looks like I'm surrounded in construction zones. So instead, I'm just gonna bop into Fayetteville. I got excited when I saw this Dumbo picture, but then I saw the price tag on it, 29 bucks. These are new, but they're really fun. Pinup girl stickers. These wood elf boards are kind of neat, although the graphic isn't as defined as I'd like. What's this funny dog? He's kind of common, but I always appreciate him. 9 bucks. Not enough room for me to get excited about. Cute little Cupid cameo doll, 16. Not a bad price. Oh, look at this funny little rubber baby. That's a goofy one. Oh, I like this ring holder. $8, not bad. It's the bisque material. It doesn't have the glaze on it. I pick up these spoon rests from time to time. I've had them a lot recently. $12 is about what I sell mine for too, in good condition. All right, so also not the day for Fayetteville. It was really crowded, noisy, lots of construction everywhere. It smelled weird. This whole day hasn't really gone as planned, honestly. So I'm gonna end my day here at Penmar. Well, already excited because they now have baskets. Ah, these snowmen, how cute. Napco, $2.99. Oh, I love the little bird on them. I thought they were salt and pepper shakers, but they're bells for $3. Might as well get both. More snowmen here. Now, these are salt and pepper shakers, Hong Kong. Guess it's getting to be about that time. Oh, but this one's missing the bottom there. What's going on with these cats over here? Set. Is it new? It looks like Japan, but $15 for the whole set. Huh. There's no markings so far. What about the teapot? I'm nervous to... $15 for the whole set is a really good price, though. Kind of feel obligated to pick this up. Yeah, no, it is older, and it's got planter. I mean, I'm sure that's supposed to be a sugar bowl, but I'm gonna call it a planter because it's missing its top. Creamer. And the teapot. Make sure this doesn't have any cracks or anything. It's got shipping tape on it, which is pretty much the most annoying thing ever. It means I'm gonna need a new manicure after I clean this thing up. I think this got me last time. I'll make sure. Oh no, it says Japan. That is not what I expected. A lot of this mushroom stuff I pick up that I haven't seen before is usually new. But Japan, $10. That's a really fun piece. It's different too. It's in really good condition. Well, I got all excited that they have baskets, but I already filled mine, so I'm gonna bring this up. All right, back to where I left off. This is a really cool piece too, but $26. I don't think I can do anything with that. Very neat. This is a neat piece of pottery. $12. I think that is super fun. If it was a little bit less, I would totally get it. I've picked up a couple pieces of Mexican pottery recently, and honestly, they just haven't sold that well for me. This, I kind of feel like, would be a safe bet if it was just a little bit cheaper. And this vase is nice, too. It's new, though. What's this little cat with the ladybug? Ah, it's repaired, unfortunately. What is that cow in there? It's gonna need some investigation. Some Fire King mugs. Oh, 16. I thought it said 6 at first. I'm trying to sneak in here to get a better look at this vase. This one's neat too, but it's new. I had a feeling. Check this one out too while I'm at it. Japan. It's neat. And $10. Not bad. I'm not that crazy about it though. This Casper is kind of fun. Seems like it's missing something. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a Joseph Originals. Yep, there's the sticker. Now these funny, fuzzy Christmas girls, I think the last one I had was even a smaller size, and it sold for like $69 or something. I can't believe it's not repaired. They're really hard to find. $4 is like practically free for this. This is definitely going to be the find of the day. Ooh, I'm kind of into this. It's definitely brand new though. It's not exactly what I thought it was. I just really liked the colors. Okay, so I'm getting ready to check out. And to be honest, I'm kind of second guessing this. I don't really feel confident paying $15 for it. I know I'd make my money back. I'd probably make a couple bucks off of it. But its expression just really isn't my favorite. It's kind of just like missing an extra element of kitsch. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this back. It wouldn't sell for that much either way. Well, it might not have been the plan to come here, but it ended up working out. All in all, I spent $56 today between Black Rose and Penmar, which is, I'll make that back in that Joseph's Original Christmas Girl alone. So, success of a day. I'm gonna go home and finish wrapping up boxes.